And joining us now to discuss the Anthony murder trial is criminologist and legal analyst Casey Jordan. Casey, good morning to you.
Good morning, Russ.
This testimony by the father yesterday, you said when you heard that, you went, whoa.
Yeah, it's been a surprise since day one on Tuesday, even though those of us who were following this knew that an accident defense was the only way that the defense could come out of the box and get the jury's attention. We were still shocked, not just by the allegation and the exact date that she died on June 16th by drowning in the pool. That's what the defense is saying. But also, of course, that Casey was sexually abused, and he was very graphic about that. So everything that's been happening since then, especially in George Anthony's testimony, because he gets called back all the time.
Like a third time, right?
Yeah. Has been really fascinating. I mean, the drama unfolds on a daily basis.
Let's talk about the war of words in the courtroom. Of course, the state trying to portray Casey as this unfit mother who didn't care when her child was missing. The defense saying no, she was a caring mother, and she had a great track record of being a caring mother. Who is winning that battle in the courtroom, do you think, from your standpoint?
It could go either way, Russ, because what they are is humanizing her, and I think they are very effective. The defense is painting her. We have video of her really showing a loving relationship with this child. And, of course, a witness yesterday who said they had a very special bond. Their relationship was amazing. But what you do when you paint that picture is raise further questions about how, if they had that amazing mother-child bond, could she be so completely without emotion in the hours and the days following the death of her child? Whether Kaylee died of an accident or was murdered, how could she go and get a video and watch it with her boyfriend within hours after this loving mother with a bond knew her baby was dead?
I got a procedure question for you. The former boyfriend of Casey's testified that she had told him that Casey said she had been abused by her brother. I guess her brother tried to sexually abuse her. That's her charges. The jury didn't hear that. Why was the jury not allowed to hear that testimony?
Well, because it would be prejudicial. Now, what the judge did was allow him to proffer testimony outside the presence of a jury. And what that does is preserve that testimony for the future. The defense will want to use that to refute the allegation of a recent fabrication, the idea that she recently made that up just to help her defense. But I think it totally backfired on them, because what the boyfriend said was not a huge deal. He said that she never said her father abused her, and that the brother just tried to, feel her up, but it didn't happen. She stopped it. That doesn't elevate to the level of sexual abuse this jury's going to be looking for to explain her behavior.
When all is said and done, do you expect Casey Anthony to take the stand in this case?
I don't see how she cannot. Based on that explosive opening statement by the defense and the allegations made against her father, George Anthony, it is her word against his. There is no other proof. There are no other witnesses we know of who are going to corroborate the sexual abuse. If she doesn't get on the stand and say what happened to her at the hands of her father, I think this defense will fall on its face.
Is it also risky for her to do this, to take the stand in this case?
Tremendously. Now, this is what everybody is waiting for. Is she going to crack under the pressure? Is the prosecution going to shred her? Or is she such an accomplished liar, which nobody disputes? She's a pathological liar. Has she elevated it to the level of being able to pass a polygraph? I call it the primal fear ability to lie so well you can fool your own defense attorney. Is she that good that she could get on the stand, tell a lie, and completely fool this jury? Everybody wants to know.
And testimony continues today. Casey Jordan, thanks a lot.
Always great to be here.
We appreciate it.